Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is 5 tips and tricks to get ahead of your pack in RC car racing. As you can see here in this example, there is a white car that is tailing me. I'm the orange Cougar. As he has a faster car than me, I'm trying to focus on my line and not letting him get past. Of course, this is on the situation, but if you pressure him enough, he will eventually crash, like we said there. In turn, it's much easier to overtake somebody who is not using these tips, as you can just glide around them. In conclusion, when defending, hold your line, stay calm, and you should be fine. The next tip I've got is regarding your race line and how to build it up over time. While race lines are important, it's more important to make sure that you're not crashing on every corner. Instead, I advise building up speed slowly and just learning to not crash beforehand. That way, you have a speed that you can improve on. In conclusion, only worry about your line once you have finished mastering not crashing. The third tip is to always be aware while you're racing, as you don't want to mess up your race as well as all of the other cars on the track. You can do this by simply looking a bit forward from your car in every race.
The next tip is about knowing your home track.
For example, it's good to know the corner in front of you.
This means you can make decisions regarding attacking, defending, or just catching up in general.
Walk your line and get a few practices in,
So that by the time for the proper race, you are able to get ahead of your pack.
The last tip in this video is to all
have fun.
because in the end we're all just racing toy cars.
Thanks for watching this video.
Have a good one.
We hope to see you at Astro Masters 2023. Thank you.